Nanjengoko lilizwe liqhubela phambili nokuthi agubungubu ubundlobongela nogwayimbo oluthusayo kutshuthula ivenkile kunakaliswa nempahla, kuye kwacaca kokuba amapolisa ayohlulakala. Ngoko ke umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ugunyazise ukuba makuthunyelwe amajoni KwaZulu-Natal naseGauteng, nto leyo iqhwatyelwe izandla ngamanye amaqela ezopolitiko.
We do welcome the address by the President of the Republic, President Ramaphosa, especially the reinforcement on the need to uphold the law, make sure that the kind of lawlessness that is being seen, where properties are being destroyed, looting taking place, that such is nabbed and attended to with the kind of speed required to return the affected communities back to normality.
In his capacity as a commander-in-chief, he must have received a proper briefing. And it is good to hear that he will monitor the situation.
We think it's long overdue. We have called for this deployment. It is totally unacceptable that people think that they can turn our country into a lawless society.
I concur with the President that we should all do our best in ensuring that there is safety in our communities.
The Freedom Front Plus will support any effort to try and to restore law and order in South Africa.
Bambi bathi ke ngekukhangelwe enye indlela yokuqwalasela lenywabatyikili.
It's very clear in KZN particularly that the policing authorities have lost the initiative there, and as the President was speaking, the looting was continuing, the burning was continuing.
The deployment of the SANDF is an admission of lack of political leadership, because there is no president who can take a decision to deploy the army when he is the president.
We are extremely disappointed that the president missed an opportunity to tell the nation what is the root cause of this protest and how is he going to solve them. Instead, the president told us that he will bring the army to KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng.
We feel that consultation with political leaders will go a long way to solve the crisis that we are in now.
Sizaqhubela phambili ke ukuvakala ingxelo kuba kutyhuthulwa kunakaliswa eGauteng naKwaZulu-Natal. NdinguAbongile Du, kwiindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.